Okay. So only when they are planning to actually hold it for longer period of time, they are going to buy something. So if they are thinking to hold it for longer period of time, that company should be good fundamentally, and also they should be good to hold it for a longer period of time, because these companies are like focusing on 20% like that. Okay. So and these are small cap and micro cap, okay, which can have a huge potential. Let's see that. And you will be having some of the companies, you'll be knowing that also. Okay. So yeah, I normally talk about LG Equipments a lot of times during our sessions. Okay, because LG Equipments has been selected by so many mutual funds. It's one of my favorite as well. Already in this last 1 month, it has given like almost 28% profit. Okay, I think we saw a breakout which has given 28%. And this in this particular list also. So what we are going to look at, let's see some of the companies and how much they have invested in that particular company. Okay, LG Equipments, capital goods. Oh, holding trend. Okay, they have closed it now. Okay, previously it was open. Now recently the website has some change. Okay, normally, right, what they will do is that they will have the percentage also. That holding trend is there, right? That's where the percentage will be. Okay, this particular LG Equipments, 5% of the whole amount has been put on LG Equipments. Like that, they'll be holding trend also. Now they have closed it. Okay, they're trying to actually use it for premium. But yeah, anyway, so we are from the okay here. Sorry. Okay, this is the one. It's there. So LG Equipments, 4.79%. It means what? If they are having 1,000 crores, it means that 40.79. So, or if we have say 100 crores, for example, if the total fund is 100 crores, 4.79 crores has been put on LG Equipments. Vedant Fashions, 4.15 crores has been used on, okay, Vedant. Sheila Foam, 3.3% of the entire portfolio. Blue Star, 3.29. All these companies you would have seen in this NSE 250 or NSE 500 in your watch list, guys. In that list, you will be able to see all these companies, okay, in your watch list. Blue Star, 3.29. Fine Organics, 3.09. Okay. Raj Rattan, 3%, 2.97. Like that, you can see the list of companies and the percentage of allocation of funds that has been done on each of these companies along with the industry. Okay. So this one will give you a clear idea why, okay, why, and this like what to say, how many companies are listed here? 10, 15, 20. Okay, 25 companies are being listed here. Okay, the top 25 companies, okay, are being listed here. There are 49 companies. Okay, because it means that they are allocated less than 1.5%. Top 25 alone has been listed here. Okay, and see here, indicates a new holding since last portfolio. It means that portfolio keeps on shuffling every single 6 months. Okay, they can change the existing company and put a new company. Okay, as per the performance of the company, the fund manager will be deciding it. Okay, so they'll be doing that also, but they won't be changing every single day. They'll be changing once in 6 months or once in a year. That's what it is. Okay, so these are the top 25 companies that we are going to focus on.